here on Bryan's 59 Lincoln. And if you remember last time, we were fighting different drain plugs and everything. Well, I got this M14 single oversize with a piggyback. And I'm telling you, we might be in business here. I mean, it seems like things are actually snugging. So I'm going to put oil in this and we're going to see what we got. Well, that's a nope. So we'll use this plug, get everything out, and we're going to end up having to clean and JB weld that in. It's going to be the only way to go, unfortunately. I have to JB weld that in, or silicone, or a little of both. But you can see how damaged that whole area is. You know, the seal isn't enough to seal it, so it's going to take time, but we will get it taken care of.